Good morning, and we are going to do another resort tour, this time at Universal's Loews Royal Pacific. It is one of the premier resorts, and always love to do the resorts early in the morning because nobody's out, basically, except those avid runners, and get time to just kind of enjoy the resort, show you a little bit around, and tell you a little bit about the resort. So please come along, please subscribe, hit that notification bell and the like button. So as you're coming up into the lobby of the Loews Royal Pacific, there's the bus entrance right there where you're going to get onto the bus. So this is one of the resorts. You actually have three options actually. When it's open, you actually have a walkway, and then you have the water taxis, and then you have the buses that you can get on to Volcano Bay or go over to City Walk. Everything goes through City Walk to get to Universal Studios or to Islands of Adventure. But so Loews Royal Pacific gives you very much the feel of another Disney resort, the Polynesian, that's being refurbished right now. 3 towers here. It is one of the premier resorts, so you get not only all resorts get in early, an hour early to the parks, but as a premier resort, actually get to have unlimited express pass. And that's a pretty good thing here at Universal Studios. So let's walk into the lobby, take a smell. So just like at the Polynesian, you'll walk over a walkway, and I like doing room tours or resort tours at night or in the early morning because there's just not many people there, but unfortunately you can't see very well some of the nice ambient stuff. Oh, look at these little frogs. I just noticed that come across. But there is water down there. Just to kind of get a feel for just a gorgeous lobby, beautiful, and decor and paintings, all of the islands beautiful. So there's Tower 1 where we're staying, and a lot of different seating places to be able to kind of relax. And just a gorgeous ambiance. Here's the gift shop area. There's a few little knickknacks, you can't see in there because it's dark, but so we're gonna go around this way. So here at most all the resorts, vacation planning center, these guys are really very helpful in planning your vacation, unless of course you use a travel agent like us. And there's the luggage service, and there's another tower that way. Here's the lobby check-in. Again, gorgeous, beautiful check-in area. A lot of seating spaces. Still trying to keep their distancing here at the Universal, but just gorgeous. So we're going to make full circle here, but at the end of the lobby, there is a Starbucks in the Tuk Tuk Market. And they do have some sandwiches and some other beverages, stuff like that. So not sure what time they're open. Don't see, but clearly they're closed now. All right, so continuing our tour here. Tower 3, back that way. And then here is nicely lit. And just some beautiful ambiance here. Nice big jumbo TV that you can watch multi-sporting events, it looks like. There's places you could just sit back and relax and chill out with a drink. Now outside there's a court. It's early morning, so we're going to show that in the daytime, but it's a very pretty court. I've seen several people out there reading, just kind of relaxing. Now we're full circle. Back around towards the gift shop, and the front entrance is right here. So let's go downstairs to take a look at the different amenities. There's a couple of, at least one, I think, restaurant. We ate at the Bula Bar and Grill. Very good food. Love the smoothies. There's Jake's downstairs. Jake's American Bar and Grill. And then the island dining room. So let's go take a look downstairs. So this is Jake's Bar and Grill. Jake's definitely got the Asian Pacific thing going on here. So back there. They got a menu here for Jake's. Yeah, there's a menu posted out here. Can't see it very well. The third restaurant, the island dining room. Take a little peek in here. Very pretty. Let's see if we can get the island dining room menu here. So now we're outside, out by the pool. Still just some really more cool ambiance stuff. So, and the parkway is out there. The pool's closed right now, so won't be able to go in there. Here's a look at the whole entire resort. So we're not going to be able to go in, but here's a nice little picture or a nice little video of the view of the pool. And the water is nice, I'll tell you, but at least at this point in time, still in COVID concerns, the hot tubs are closed here at the Universal, which is kind of funny. But here's a little better look at the island dining room. So this little path that I'm following really would make a good running path. It kind of goes all the way around the resort, so really a nice safe place to do some running. But the pathway to the parks too is also, that's a walker's path too, so got to be careful. This is outside the game room here, so kind of look in. The game room is closed. Some more sculptures. Let's go take a look out here, show you a little bit of I guess the front entrance to the pool. And then over here is the Bula Cafe, which actually has very good food, by the way. So here we are at the Bula Grill, and we're gonna have some lunch. Some good lunch. This is poolside. Nice little cozy place. Nice little ambiance. And we will put in a picture of the menu at the Bula Grill right now. All right, let's take a look at the cool smoothies at the Bula Grill. Here we have mango, my daughter. Now this is ice cream. That's different. Vanilla ice cream. I got peach with a little shark. Is that edible? Oh my gosh, this is cool. And then the pina colada. All right, first impressions of the peach smoothie.
Mine's so good.
Oh my goodness. Now I love peach. That's probably one of my most favorite fruits ever, next to cherry. That's awesome. Holy cow. I would pay to stay a night here and have just the peach. Oh man. How is your ice cream, your vanilla ice cream smoothie?
I didn't know that was a thing, but it's pretty good. It's like, well, I got vanilla. There was chocolate and vanilla. I got vanilla, and the vanilla tastes pretty good.
Pretty good. All right. How's the mango smoothie there, Breeze?
My mango smoothie is really good. And I like the little,
Shark?
like whale-looking thingy. I don't know what it is,
It's a shark.
but it's cute, and it's got like a dark blue. I already ate half of
Tasty.
it, but it's really tasty. And this actually tastes like they actually blended up mango and put ice in there.
Well, I hope they did. Mama, how is your pina colada?
Pina colada smoothie.
Smoothie.
It's excellent. And I love the little touch where they put the pineapple, and I got a shark.
Now, have you tried the shark?
I haven't tried it yet.
Have you tried the shark? And so we started off at the Bula Grill with some fruit and cheese. No, this Gouda, maybe? I don't know. Cheddar. Looks like some yogurt. Maybe pepper jack, she thinks. Looks like we got pineapple and some grapes and strawberries. Help me out. Honeydew and cantaloupe. Looking awesome on top of our smoothies. Let's go around, see what we got at the Bula Grill. Mother, what did you get?
This yummy looking turkey wrap. Right now it's covered with fries, but it's in a spinach. It's got spinach wrap. It looks really good.
And over here it's a Brielle. Oh, you just got the general hot. The fries look good though.
I picked the one.
Like
She already snuck one. So cute.
And Keegan, what did you get?
I got grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese with some more
Cheese and
fries. And here's a nice early morning view of the pool. So right over there is the Bula Cafe. Really very good food. I mean, for resort prices, not bad. You know, again, you're going to pay a lot more for any kind of on-site resort meals. That's a little splash pad over there that we showed. And then over through here, not going to show because I can see there's people in here. There is a resort gym fitness area and actually a spa over there as well, but there are people working out, so we're gonna respect their privacy. So here must be the entrance into the gymnasium right here. Okay, so come back over here because I don't want to show them. So here's the gym, open 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. Room key required. I think that'll about do it for our resort tour. Tim, take us back up to the room and show us a little bit of the room. So from our room in the first tower, 7th floor, room 31 or 1731, we've got Rip, Ride, and Rocket, Hollywood's Rip, Ride, and Rocket. We have the Hulk right in front of us. Now, somewhere over there, I think hidden by the palm trees is Velocicoaster. Just can't see it very well. And that's about all we can identify at this point. Here is we're closest to Island of Adventure. So Loews Royal Pacific is closest to Islands of Adventure. And that's what you can see. It'd be kind of cool to see what it's like when it's lit up. So this is the pool here at Loews Royal Pacific. Quite large. The deepest end is 4 feet 7 inches and 1.4 millimeters, 1.4 meters. This is really very pretty. Haven't scoped out the spa hot tub, I guess, but it looks like a little splash, I don't know, area over there called Royal Bali Sea. And who's this
Crazy girl over here.
Corella girl right here?
Hello. Keegan's scared of her.
And look at this ornery thing coming here. So yeah, it's don't get a real good appreciation here with the GoPro how large this is, but this is quite large pool. All these cool little, I don't know, themings or little cool decorative little iguana. Thank you for joining us for our Loews Royal Pacific at Universal Studios Resort Tour. Please hit that like button and the notification bells. And as Bria always says, onward to our next adventure.